Hey guys, this is Nick from Beany Bunch. I'm going to run through an AeroPress recipe because on the 9th and 10th of September we're running the Algarve Coffee Festival and we've got a little fun mini AeroPress competition. So if you want to join, then you can sign up, either DM us or sign up during the festival, and on Sunday night we'll see who's got the best AeroPress recipe. I've got AeroPress set up and I'm just going to run through an AeroPress recipe, just playing around, just seeing what tastes good. It's a good time to practice. I'm practicing today with Koyo beans, a roastery in Algarve, local. This is an Ethiopian, so let's see what we get from that. So I'm going to use today 18 grams. So I've got my 18 grams of coffee. The water I'm using the Lotus water minerals. And I've done the Perger water. So I'm going to heat the kettle to 92 degrees. I have the fellow Ode 2 here, and I'm going on 5 and then 1 notch. I'm going to do an inverted method. So I'm going to set it up like so. And I'm going to try it with the metal filters, mostly because I ran out of paper filters and they're getting delivered. So this is all I have, but it's interesting and it makes me try it. So let's see what happens with that. Okay. Coffee smells good. Lots of dark chocolate. Some tropical fruit. Smells good. So I'm going to tear off the scales. I'm going to put in my 18 grams. So I'm not going to heat anything, mainly because the plastic retains the heat really well, and from trials I've not tasted a change from heating up the chamber or even the metal filter. Okay, so I've got my 18 grams in. My water is at 92 degrees. I'm going to pour in an initial 150 grams and I'm going to stir slowly for about 1 minute. I give credit to Jibbi on her AeroPress-winning recipe because this is kind of on the same lines, because I'm going to bypass afterwards after a minute. So I'm going to put in 150 as quick as I can. Okay, it's at 15 seconds. I'm going to turn the water off and I'm now going to stir at 20 seconds slowly until 1 minute. I'm still swirling slowly. Smells like guava, tropical fruits, bit of cacao. Okay, at 1 minute, now I'm going to stop. Okay. At 1 minute 10, I'm going to put the top on and let a bit of air out. So top is on. Take it off the scales. Okay. At 1 minute 30, I'm going to flick it over, wait 10 seconds to let it settle, and then I'm going to push to finish it about, so a little jiggle. Settles at 1 minute 40, I'm going to go and push it down gently, so I finish around 2 minutes 10, 2 minutes 15. Straight on, try and keep it nice and level. I don't want to push one side or other, just keep it nice and smooth. 2 minutes, so aim for about 210, 215, and get a nice concentrate. So at 215 now, still a little left, so I'm going to go to 220. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put it back on the scales. And to the 150, I'm going to add 100 grams bypass water. The water's cooled down a bit, so the water temperature now is at 89, so a little bit cooler. Perfect. Smells good. Don't know you guys, but I really like to see the puck afterwards. I like to see how level it is, how compact it is, and how the depth is. The depth is all around, so it's pretty good. I like that one. Yeah, I'll give you guys a close-up. Okay, so the moment of truth. Excuse the slurping. I have a tendency to slurp on the first drink, especially when I'm trying. This is pretty balanced. I'm happy with it. It's not like amazing, like oh my god, but it's like, it's good. I would drink it. If it was given to me in a cafe, very happy. It's got nice acidity. Little bit of that sort of carbonic maceration, kind of artificially flavor going on. Definitely some tropical fruits. A little bit of lime. And like the cacao nibs, sort of chocolatiness coming through it. But yeah, why not? That's my little play. Maybe see you for the AeroPress competition down in the Algarve, the Algarve Coffee Festival. Enjoy the rest of your day from Portugal, from Perger.